Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the next turbo that we're going to be using for the 2.4 stroker build on the Focus ST. So this is a next gen 5662. It's got a 105 AR stainless steel exhaust housing. So that way there it can flow really good on the top end and not cause any restriction for the 2.4 liter stroker. I had them ceramic coat the CHRA so that way there it won't rust and also get some, better heat dissipation benefits out of it as well. But more or less I just had it done for just the rust, and even if I don't drive this car in a winter or in the rain, it's still gonna have, that problem. All right, so as you can see right there, next gen 5662 ball bearing. It's got the better flowing compressor housing, and then it's got the stainless steel V-band in and out T3 105 AR coated. So they had to make this to order because how it works is when they coat these, they have to have it all apart to send out for coating, and then they put it all together afterwards. So I got this turbo off turbokits.com. Shout out to them for giving me a really good deal, 10% off. That was awesome. So if you want to get a precision turbo, highly recommend using these guys. Looks like you got some instructions. And then a nice little sticker. Precision turbo boosted. Hell yeah. Look at that. Got nice little packaging here. Oh, that's tightly packed too. Wow. Holy cow. Yep. That's not easy to take apart like the G35 was. That's for sure. Wow, it's like in a cocoon. Holy crap. Yeah, they package this way better than Garrett does. There it is. It looks actually small. It's funny. It looks small, but it really isn't in terms of like horsepower capabilities. We have the old 5862 over here, and this is the newer version of that basically. So here's a brand new gasket. That's cool. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Do this without ruining or compromising this bag. So alright. Well, this thing, wow. What the hell they do? Polish the stainless steel? That's crazy. What they do? Polish that? They actually like polish the stainless. That's ceramic coated. I can't even tell. Doesn't even look like it. I'll be honest, that doesn't even look like it's ceramic coated. There ain't no way that's ceramic coated. Look at that. You can tell It's quite a bit bigger. It's supposed to be the same as far as the turbine wheel. They updated the cooling capabilities to be a better, probably more efficient setup here. So I got the turbo back. I unboxed it. We got the CHRA housing ceramic coated. So there you go. There's that. Very nice quality. We're gonna clock it, but I'm not gonna tighten it down quite yet. But I just gotten done unboxing the camshafts, the valve springs, and the manifold as well. Shout out to turbokits.com. If you haven't heard of them, go check them out. They have all the NX2 turbos, and also they have all the precision turbos and many other turbos as well. So go check them out, and you know, there's discount codes that they have. You can get a good discount, and you know, their customer service is definitely top notch.